Have you ever learned an entire piece of music online, but it doesn't sound as good as the one on YouTube? If you're wondering why your playing sounds messy or uneven, you most likely need to strengthen your fingers and learn how to count. In this video, I show you how to do both.
Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Lucian Lu from Easy Piano Hacks. In this video, we are going to help you play faster without sounding horrible. This is for your piano finger strength, for endurance, so you can play longer, play faster, play evenly. We are going to help you with the help of the metronome. Get this metronome app, download it, link in the description. It's completely free. Turn it up to 72 beats per minute. So once you've set it to 72, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start counting with the metronome. So we're going to put the metronome on the stand here, and we're going to count. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Listen to the sound. 4. Right? Once you're comfortable with that, then we're going to start clapping. Here we go. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out loud. Count. 2, 3, 4. And you may be on the beat. You may not be on the beat. Take your time as long as you need. Pause the video and keep working on this. Because if you can't do this comfortably, don't let yourself go on to the next one. Okay? Now, the next step. We're going to keep that metronome going. Keep it on at 72. We're still going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to up the level. So we're going to take our thumb, put it on middle C. And now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're playing on time. And do that for as long as you need until you're comfortable. Okay? Pause the video. Do whatever you got to do. Once you're good with that, then we're going to go upgrade it to the 5-finger scale. So that's C, D, E, F, G, right? Here we go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Keep it going. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and off. Hands on your lap. Good. So, with that out the way, we are able to now take this and apply it to both hands. We can do the same thing. Here we go. 1, count us in. Always count yourself in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it going. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Aim for accuracy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you find this, it gets easier and easier. We can apply it to other things. So the first exercise we're going to learn in the next video is how to do it with Hanon number 1. This is an exercise we're going to be able to go. We're going to show you how to do that in the next video. Congratulations, you passed this one. If you have trouble still, watch this video again. If you need to speed up or slow down the metronome for yourself to be able to count and play or count and clap, do so, okay?
The top comment of the day goes to It's AdoGames534 on YouTube, who says, "A good effing channel, I love you bro, keep it like that bro, it doesn't matter if you have only 1 viewers, I always will be there. If these tips were helpful to you, please let me know. It would mean the world to me if you could leave a review and share with your friends. If you have any further questions, please send me a direct message on Instagram at Easy Piano Hacks. I try to reply to every single message. Keep practicing, and most importantly, have fun."